YouTube is going after the big boy of the short content industry by announcing monetization on YouTube Shorts. This won't be like YouTube bonuses, this is the real thing, it's aggressive monetization. Now, amidst the whole chaos, it's our best opportunity to increase our income by a ton. In this video, we'll cover what exactly will change, when those changes are happening, and what can you do to take advantage of this huge opportunity. Make sure to watch all the way through because there will be pieces of golden nuggets everywhere, and you don't want to miss out. Let's get started. First of all, this has nothing to do with the YouTube Shorts fund that is already out there or the bonuses, which pay very little. It will basically be like the existing YouTube partner program, but for shorts, which won't offer those small amounts because it will implement ads on the short form content. What I mean by that is, while the users are scrolling through the shorts feed, they will be getting ads in between the shorts videos. So that will make more money for YouTube, and more brands and businesses will want to take advantage of that new ad system. So every month the revenue from these ads will be collected into a sum and then it will be distributed to the creators. Which may sound weird and like it's not gonna offer much, but you will be getting a 45% split. It is lower than the 55% split that the long form content offers, but still it's a 45% split. And we get 10% lower because of the music licensing. Now another question that may rise out of this is that if you upload videos without music, will you get the 55%? No, you won't. But 45% is a significant number because more and more advertisers want to get into shorts because 75% of YouTube's active user base is in shorts. So imagine how many advertisers will want to get advantage of that. Now what will also change is how you will be able to get into the partner program. For the long form content, it will remain the same as far as we know. So 1K subs and 4K watch hours. Of course, if you are already in the partner program, then you will be able to access the shorts monetization. But there will be a second way to enter the partner program. 1K subs and 10 million short views in 90 days. It may sound a lot to some of you, but it's definitely attainable. If you get 10 viral videos in 3 months, then you can enter the partner program. And when a short video goes viral, it really goes viral. Now when will those changes happen? We only know that they will happen in early 2023. If you ask me, I'm guessing that by January we should have that feature. Now what can you do to take advantage of that huge opportunity? First of all, you should upload right now. Like seriously, after this video, go make some shorts and start uploading, because it says 10 million views in 90 days. We have about 90 days until January. Create broad videos, but not too broad, because shorts can really go viral and you need to target as many people as possible. But if you like something that is very niche down, then of course you can also do that. In that case, those shorts can bring more traffic to your long form content. Now you should upload to all platforms. If you're not using TikTok, if you're not using Reels, now is your opportunity. Why? Because after this monetization happens, every other platform will adapt. So now you have a huge opportunity to have multiple income streams. Like TikTok pays very little right now. TikTok has to adapt somehow because YouTube will probably steal a good amount of creators from this platform. So start uploading right now. After this video, you could just make one video and upload that single video to every platform. And also one final thing is that the YouTube partner program might lower its threshold for some features, for some basic stuff like super thanks, super stickers and channel memberships. So this is all we know so far. If there are any updates, I will leave them in the description, so check that out. Also, there are some affiliate links down there if you want to check that out as well to support me and get something for yourself. It's a win-win situation. I love you. So now that you know all that, make sure to watch this video next because the algorithm thinks that it will be a perfect fit for you.